Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Combination of some talk about better demand, maybe a lower crop, helped the bean market rally yesterday. Overnight, we're up about a penny. We did see some profit taking, maybe going into the weekend. The market is a little bit higher than what some people had thought, given the fundamentals of global world supply and demand. Corn market tried to follow, so did the wheat, but kind of ran out of gas. And overnight, corn and wheat prices are a little bit easier. Both corn and wheat are struggling with big global stock conditions, corn is supported a little bit by the fact the farmer isn't selling, but both corn and soybeans could run into some resistance as the harvest nears. Corn also is a lot of talk about maybe the corn yield in the U.S. is a little bit below the USDA's August numbers. Recently, one of the private people added about 9 million tons to the global wheat crop. Most of that is in the former Soviet Union, and that continues to offer resistance to the wheat market. Hurricane Irma is turning through the Bahamas. Right now, most of the maps have it staying off the coast of Florida about 50 miles. It still will be a Category 4, but may not impact Miami as much as people had thought yesterday. The one model, the Navy model, is the only one that still shows it going into Miami. It'll hug the coast and eventually make landfall between the South Carolina and North Carolina border. It'll be a smaller hurricane, but there could be 7 to 10 inches of rain hitting those areas. So we're not out of the woods yet, but it seems like the National Weather Service is trying to slow it down a little bit from its fast pace, which means it could make its right turn earlier than hitting Miami. Remnants of Hurricane Irma could come in early next week, parts of southern Illinois, Indiana, and most of Ohio. So we'll have to kind of watch and see what that suggests for those areas. Not heavy rains. Maybe some people, especially on the beans, would take this little bit of rain right now. The rest of the Midwest looks like it's going to be dry for the next 2 weeks. Temperatures start out cool, but then warm up later this weekend and all of next week. So mostly favorable harvest conditions, but not really type of rains that we need to finish the crop and add to the yields. So again, we may be establishing more of a trading range in the grains. If we go down too much, it doesn't really reflect the possibility of a lower crop and lack of farmer selling. But if we rally into higher highs, we could get into that farmer selling. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.